Hey guys, just gonna do a quick little video today all about how to wrap and pack and ship a cymbal. We will need something to cut against, bubble wrap, a rather excessive ruler, a kitten to walk into the shot and move things around and ruin it when I'm trying to set things up, a roll of tape, some newsprint or flyers or something you can lose inside the package, a pizza box. I don't think that was actually a pizza box, but it looks like a pizza box, doesn't it? You also need, obviously, that which you are shipping, right? Your cymbal, obviously. I should also say you will need some kind of knife, right? And like always, when you're playing with knives, don't be an idiot, don't cut your fingers off. You lay out your cymbal. Ta-da! Now, before you tape it up, you're gonna want to take whatever you got, kind of rip it up. You want to then take it, crumple it up into a ball, right? Take this and you want to put it under the bell of the cymbal, supporting it. If you got a cat that's in the way, you might want to consider sticking him in there. Right, buddy? You want to go for a ride? And then you play that fun game of find the end of the roll. Stupid tape. It's funny how a 50-cent roll of sealing tape from the $2 shop helps with your branding. You take a pizza box. Now with the bits that are folded under, they'll hold it up and off the bottom of the thing. Take more shreds of paper. Ooh, hey, that's a good deal. This isn't to protect it, this is just to kind of keep it from moving around too much. Do you want to go with the cymbal? Be sure not to cut your floor. Take an envelope, put the invoice and some branding stuff, 2 business cards, we'll get to that in another video. Right, stick that in an envelope. But nice little personal touch, little handwritten thanks, autograph, it's all good. Now this goes into the box with the cymbal and the whatever. And before you seal it up, give it a bit of a shake. It's not moving around, you're all good. First thing I do when I pack stuff up, give it a layer of the pretty orange sealing tape, a bit of branding, you know, good times. You're going to need a real tape gun, not just the pretty tape. Want to get your butt out of the shot, buddy? Thanks. There you go. Now all I have to do is address it and plop it in the mail. Watch these, hit that. YouTube thinks you like this. Don't forget all this stuff here.